Hi, this is the market review for this week, April 17th. We're going to start over here on gold. I do think that gold will come back and test this level to see if it is still supporting price. If it does, we could see gold go to about 12.10, 12.11. On crude, I do think we will move up to the 52.50 area only because there's nothing in the way of a good trade. So this is what we call a sweet spot. Then over on the 45-minute Dow chart, I do think that we will come back and test either 17,946 or 17,934. And I would be looking for it to test one of these two areas. Over on the ES, it's just up right now. We could come back to 2090.75 if that acts as a resistance area, meaning that price will flip it from blue to red and goes back and tests that area. We may see 2080, but as it stands right now, it's nothing but to the upside. Over on the Nasdaq, you can see that we found support in these what I call double congestion areas. In this case, it was about 4 or 5 of them in one area. It comes down, meets it, and then pops back up. So I think it will go at least to these green lines, which is 44.22, and we would need to see what happens when it gets there. Over on the DAX, pretty much the same as the ES until we get congestion lines up here that tell us that, there's potential overhead resistance. I just see the DAX going up. Over on the pound, I do see lower lows as it stands right now. What they are doing is testing this double area here to see if this is going to act as support or resistance. Right now, it is not acting as support, so I would expect to see new lows on the pound. On the euro, we may get a retracement back to 0632, even possibly to 0647. It would be very important to read the volume at these three areas, because if it is able to break these three areas, it would go up to 0705. If it is unable to break these three areas, then we could potentially look at the 0560 area on the euro. This has served as an area that potentially will support price numerous times. I hope you enjoyed this little 3-minute video, and I look forward to seeing you in the trading room this week.